welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time visiting my channel. My name is Lisa. On my channel I talk about luxury items, fashion, beauty, fragrance, and travel. If you happen to love any of those things, I would love it if you became part of my YouTube family here by subscribing, and you can always click the bell icon below so you'll be notified each time I happen to upload a video here on this channel. So I was going to make this video, if you saw my first video, all one big unboxing, but I decided that was going to be too long, so I decided to split it into two. So if you want to see what is in this box, just keep watching. This lifts off. Sticker on it. Coach dust bag. So excited. Okay, here we go. It smells so good. Oh my goodness, there she is. Look how beautiful. Look at the leather. Nice pebbled leather. So this is called the Coach Tabby bag. The Coach Tabby 26 actually, because there is a larger size in this. But you guys know I love bags, like my smaller bags like this size, because I don't carry a whole bunch in my bags anymore. But I absolutely love it. Let me take off, well, let me not take that off yet. So look how nice the inside is. It's like a nice, actually, is this suede? Or maybe it's like a microfiber interior. I absolutely am in love. So nice gold hardware. It does have this little tag on the side that says Coach, but I will probably most likely remove this and just keep it inside the bag. I don't necessarily want it hanging off. Yes, look how gorgeous this bag is. I'm so in love. It has this beautiful ox blood aubergine color, and let's take out the stuff. Let me take off all of the paper on the strap so we can see it a little bit better. I have two different straps here. You get a shorter strap and you get a longer strap. They wrap their items so well. I am really impressed with the wrapping. The way that they ship things is actually impeccable. So as you see, I have a longer strap here and a shorter strap. Here's the shorter strap, and it can be made into a baguette style. I love it. With a long handle that you can wear over your shoulder, and then a longer strap if you want to carry it with the longer handle. You could carry it with both, or you can take it off and carry one or the other, which is what I really like. So you have options. Give me a second to take off most of the wrapping paper and everything so we can see this beauty a little bit better. Wow. Like I said, it's wrapped really well. They really package their items very well. So that definitely gets 2 thumbs up from me. Here is the tag on it in case anyone is interested. Here, and this has a nice large shoulder drop. So you can carry it handheld if you wanted to. You could put it over your shoulder. It has a very good shoulder drop if you just want to do that. If you didn't want to carry it that way, I love that you could take it off. If you wanted to, you could wear it as a clutch, I guess, if you wanted to take all of the straps off and just carry it like so. This nice longer strap, you can keep it on, you know, keep the shorter strap on if you wanted to, or you could take it off. It's long enough to be crossbody. I will have to come back on and do some modeling shots for you guys, so I'm just going to reveal it to you guys today. I'll do all of that on a separate video, I promise. Beautiful gold hardware. Absolutely love, love, love it. The strap is adjustable. It has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes on it. And I love it. Strap is all one color in black. It smells amazing. This is how you close it. So it has like nice magnetic hole. So there's the clasp, and you just close it by clicking it into the hole, which is a little difficult at the moment just because there's nothing in here. But I love that it has like this pocket right here on the front if you wanted to put something in here. And then it's sectioned like so. It has a slip pocket right here. I love the color of the inside. Absolutely gorgeous. And it has like this zippered separated thing here. So I guess, let's see, what is this made out of? This actually is fabric, and it has Coach stitched on the material here. Nice, beautiful gold. Look how smooth the zipper is, you guys. Wow. Very, very impressive. So just like, I mean, like Louis Vuitton has some of the best zippers on the market. This one is, I love it. Very, very well made. It has the Coach plaque here on the back. And like I said, a nice slip pocket. 2 sections here, one here and one here. To be honest with you, I almost would prefer if they didn't have this middle pocket here. You know, I think you could get more things in it. It doesn't, you know, this bag is kind of small. I don't really believe that it needs a separation. Would actually allow you to get probably more things in here. But anyway, I love the silhouette of this bag so much that that really doesn't matter to me. I really wanted a smaller black bag, you know, that I could carry around, that's, you know, kind of in the middle. Like you can wear it casually, or you can dress this up, you know, wear it on a dressier occasion, and I love it. So anyway, guys, there it is in all of its beauty and glory. So in my opinion, it kind of has a cross between the Gucci Marmont line, as you can see, and a combination of the Fendi baguette line. So kind of like a marriage of two, and it had a baby and it kind of came out with this. I like that this one is more structured, not super structured, but it's just enough structure. But it's very soft and very pliable. Very, very good leather. I'm just really, really impressed. So actually, I did order another color in this. Yeah, I gotta be the person that gets all the colors. So that one should be coming. I think it should be shipped tomorrow. And actually, the bag that I was talking about that I really, really, really want, but it's sold out unfortunately, is the same bag in the chalk color. One that I purchased the strap for. So hopefully I'll get it. If not, I will have to send this strap back. But, you know, the strap didn't cost all that much. But I don't really have anything else that matches this, because I don't actually own any white bags or anything. Actually, I never buy white accessories. I don't wear white shoes, I don't wear white bags, but for some reason I'm obsessed with owning this one in the chalk color. So I don't know, it's just something about it. So anyway, keep your fingers crossed, guys, for me that I will get it. They did try to order it for me, and there's only, I believe she said, 183 left. So right now on the website, it's totally sold out. It doesn't even say back order like the oxblood color one that I ordered. That should be here or shipped tomorrow. That one actually said back ordered. The chalk one just says sold out, period. Like you can't even order it or anything. So we shall see. Keep your fingers crossed, guys. But anyway, I am totally in love with this beautiful, gorgeous bag. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have ordered anything from Coach, or what you guys think of this gorgeous beauty. I will see you guys on another video when I show you guys what fits in here and a few modeling shots and all that other good stuff. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.